What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so whether it's just a normal day on campus or even a night out with friends, I usually have the same things in my pocket. So, with that said, let me show you what's my everyday carry. Okay guys, so before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and even comment down below what's your everyday carry. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we all need something to keep our cash or even our cards in. And we all have our own preferences, but for me, I prefer a small, minimal wallet. And that's why number one is a wallet, as you can tell. Okay, with that said, my wallet is the Louis Vuitton card holder. It's actually one awesome wallet and I don't regret purchasing at all. It was basically the first purchase I ever made when I got out of high school and got my first job. It set me back a few $100s, but it was definitely worth it. As you can see, this thing is made of awesome leathers and it's just the perfect size. You can keep a bit of cash in it, but it's mostly just for cards. Okay, so if you're definitely checking out to get into smaller wallets, definitely go check out card holders, as it is an awesome, small, convenient way to store your cards or even cash. Some of them even come with a cash clip on the side of it, so it's really awesome. Okay guys, so for number two, we have my phone. I'm currently using the iPhone XS and it's one awesome phone. I really don't need to explain much about this one because everyone needs a phone or even have a phone. So I can just recommend this phone to you if you even have an older iPhone or even just looking to upgrade. This is one hell of a... Okay guys, so for number three, we have a pocket knife. I didn't really carry a pocket knife before, but since this year I started carrying one with me because it was so useful. Like, I always got myself in a situation where I have to cut open a box or just get something done and I couldn't reach it or anything. And then I saw a lot of videos on YouTube talking about pocket knives and stuff and how useful they are. With my luck, I found an old pocket knife in one of my cupboards and that's what I've been using ever since. I'm not sure what brand it is or even where it came from, but it's actually one awesome pocket knife and it was probably cheap, so I didn't even break the bank for it. So pocket knives are awesome. Since I've been using, I'm kind of new into this pocket knife thing, but it's actually one hell of a thing to carry with you. Like, just to help you around, it's really cool, but please don't go cutting people or stabbing people. That's no good. Okay guys, so for the last thing I carry with me every day is probably AirPods. Music is an essential part of my life, so not having any source of headphones or earphones is just weird. So, and like I said, I have an iPhone, so it was just normal to get AirPods as they're small, wireless, and it works seamlessly with the iPhone. It's really cool. The price tag is a bit steep, but I would say it's definitely worth it just for the convenience. Okay guys, so there you have it. The 4 essentials I keep with me every day wherever I am, whether it's going to school or even just with chilling with friends. So with that said, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hope to see you in the next video. Peace.